In this video, we'll show you how to get your Zerodha API key step by step. First, open your web browser and in the search bar type Kite Connect, then click on the first result. Once the page opens, click on Sign Up and log into your account. After logging in, you'll see an option to create new app. Click on it. Now enter any app name you like, then type your Zerodha client ID. Next, enter the full Google redirect URL. You can leave the other optional fields empty if they're not required. Add a short description for your app, keep the app type set to connect, and then click on Create. Once the app is created, your Zerodha API key will be generated. Click on API Secret, copy both the API key and the secret, and save them somewhere safe, such as a notepad. That's it, your Zerodha API key is ready to use. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Internet for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.